Good morning, SSJ. Coach Keebler here with some very special guests. I found Miss Treon and Miss Jen on campus, so I solicited them to come join our fortune teller workout. So today, I don't know if you know how to make a fortune teller, but I'm going to show you. It's going to be a square piece of paper, and you have to fold it in half and in half. When I was young, we used to make these a lot. And then what you're going to do is you're going to fold each side into the middle, okay? And then you fold these into the middle. And then eventually it's going to look like that. So these are real popular when I was young. I'm going to try to find a link that I can put up here. But then what you do on the outside is you write colors, 4 colors, and then on the inside, you're gonna write numbers. And then I'm gonna show you with Mrs. Treon and Miss Jen, they're gonna do this and then they'll pull open a flap and have an exercise to do on the inside. So you can choose whatever you want as you do that. So we're gonna do fortune teller fitness. I'm going to put on my mask and we're gonna see how this goes. All right, here we go. Okay, Miss Treon, I'm going to start with you. What color? Blue. Blue. So then I go B-L-U-E. What number?
3.
1, 2, 3.
And 2.
2. So then I'm going to open up number 2. And Miss Treon has to do jumping jacks. So you have to do 2 jumping jacks.
2 jumping jacks.
I think she should have to do more than that. What do you guys think?
All right, how many am I doing?
She's going to do 12 jumping jacks. Okay, Jen.
Okay, my turn.
What number are you? Or what color?
Yellow.
Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W.
3.
3. Oh! Just kidding. 1, 2, 3.
1.
1. You get arm circle.
Sweet.
Definitely not 1. Okay, I'm going to go.
Should I do 13?
Yeah, do 13. I'm going to pick red, R-E-D. Then I'm going to pick 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then I'm going to pick 2. Oh, you already picked that one. I'm going to do this one. This one is toe touches. It was jumping jacks, but I don't want to do toe touches. I'm going to change it to windmills because that's a little bit easier to see on the video. So this is an easy one that you can do quarantined with some people that you're quarantined with. Make your own little paper little fortune teller. Put some colors on the outside, numbers on the inside, and then your exercises on the inside. All right, SSJ, I hope you have an awesome day. We love you, and we hope you're doing well. Have a good weekend. Say goodbye, Miss Jen and Wendy. Yay!